woman's gonna get mad at me because I'm filming her taking a nap. But she's had a headache all day, so I don't blame her one bit. Plus we have an hour drive in a little while, but I want to show you this lazy dog. Outside. Cowboy, can you go outside? Come on. Lazy. What are you doing, May May? Are you being lazy too? Huh? You being lazy? Do you need to go outside? Do you need to go outside? Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Oh, great. Doorbell rang. Who is it?
It's a girl. It's a regular dog girl.
Have a good day.
Who is it, Ryan?
Some chick thought we had goats and she asked us if they were ours because they came from our backyard.
They came from our backyard.
Yeah, from like behind our house.
Goats?
Yeah.
They thought we had goats in the backyard?
Yeah, the other chick that lives next door, she's like, are those your goats? Let's take them. We didn't have any goats.
Oh, goodness gracious.
Oops.
Ain't no goats in my backyard that I know of. I don't know what happened. Maddie said a random neighbor that we don't even know knocked on our front door asking if we had goats for sale. Who knows? I don't know. Anyway, y'all have a good rest of y'all's weekend, and we'll see y'all on the next video. Never know what happens out here in the country.